Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to feature a post in LinkedIn. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application, then go to your profile, then click to your profile icon from the top left corner. There, go to View Profile, then scroll down a little bit, then click to Activities. Then click to Show All Posts in Activities section. From there, click to three-dot button of the post you want to feature. Then click to Feature on top of profile from there. This is how you can feature a post on LinkedIn. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.